Dreaming of becoming a doctor, engineer, or pursuing your passion in higher education? When it comes to admissions, the overwhelm, cutoffs, counseling, loans, deadlines, it's a lot. That's where Just Get
I don't ever
Admissions
slow
steps
up,
in.
no I
Our
don't take
trusted partner
shit. I
has
got no
removed
love
stress-free
for the
tuition
fakeness. If you wanna play tough
With our
and
year
wanna
commitment,
hate this, I'll always show
cut off
up
tuition
and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who doubted being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.